Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to add your TikTok link to your Instagram. It is very simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is to open up your TikTok and then go to your profile in the bottom right corner. You then want to click on Edit Profile right underneath your name. Once you're here, you'll see your name, username, pronouns, bio, email, nonprofit, and category. But you want to go and click the thing underneath the username, tiktok.com/achievingonlinefreedom. Click the little icon beside it. It will then copy that link. And then you want to head over to Instagram. Once you're at Instagram, you want to go ahead and go to your profile in the bottom right. Click Edit Profile underneath your name. Once you're here, you'll see your name, username, pronouns, bio, but also links. You can add links to your bio. So go ahead and click that. Click Add External Link. And then you can paste the link that you just copied from TikTok. You can just put in, say, TikTok for your title, whatever you want your title to be. Then you click Done. And then when you go back, you'll see that this URL is now in my bio. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next video.